How much does an electrician make in Tonga? The average salary of an electrician in Tonga is $4,900 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. After tax takes a share, your electrician income drops to $4,400 per year, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $367 a month. Since big cities usually pay better, an electrician's salary in Tonga can be higher if you work in the capital. For example, in Nukuʻalofa, you can bring home $5,200 after tax. On top of that, cost of living outside the main city is lower, so lower electrician wages in smaller towns might still cover your needs. Early on, entry-level pay starts below these numbers, but it goes up fast as you gain skills. While a university degree is not required locally, having higher education helps you get promoted to lead technician or site manager. Finally, small local firms pay modest rates, whereas international employers offer substantially higher pay for the same work. That is how much does an electrician make in Tonga, giving you a clear picture of average electrician pay.